এই ভিডিওটিতে আমরা দেখে নেব হায়ার সেকেন্ডারি ইংলিশ সেকেন্ড ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজে আইস হ্যাবিট গল্পটি থেকে কি কি এমসিকিউ কোয়েশ্চেন্স আসতে পারে 2020 উচ্চ মাধ্যমিক পরীক্ষায়। The story, The Ice Habit, is written by. The correct answer is Ruskin Bond. The ice habit is an or a. The correct answer is short story. The couple that saw the girl off at the station was probably. The correct answer is parents. The girl's parents seemed very anxious about her comfort because. The correct answer is she was blind. The eyes of the narrator were sensitive to. The correct answer is light and darkness. The narrator's voice in The Ice Habit. The correct answer is startle the girl. According to the narrator, people with good eyesight often fail to see things in front of them because. The correct answer is they have too much to take in. The narrator decided to conceal his blindness from the girl by. The correct answer is keeping to his seat. The journey in The Ice Habit took place in the month of. The correct answer is October. From Dehra, Ruskin Bond was going to. The correct answer is Missouri. The blind girl said that she loved the. The correct answer is hills. In October, the hills are covered with. The correct answer is wild dahlias. How are the roads of Missouri in the month of October? The correct answer is quiet and almost deserted. Then I made a mistake. The mistake was made by. The correct answer is the narrator. In the compartment, the narrator felt for the. The correct answer is window ledge. The girl in the train compartment thought the narrator to be. The correct answer is gallant and serious. The girl felt relieved as the journey was. The correct answer is a short one. The perfume of the girl's hair was so tantalizing that the narrator. The correct answer is wanted to raise his hand to touch her hair. There was some confusion. The correct answer is in the doorway. The narrator wanted to know from the passenger about the girls. The correct answer is hairstyle. The surprise of the story is. The correct answer is the girl is also blind like the narrator. এই গল্প থেকে আসতে পারে এমন সমস্ত প্রশ্ন ও তার উত্তর ডেসক্রিপশন বক্সে লিংকের মাধ্যমে দেওয়া রইল। লিংক ক্লিক করে ডাউনলোড করতে পারো। আরও লেসন ও সাজেশন পেতে সাবস্ক্রাইব করো আমাদের ইউটিউব চ্যানেল youranswers.in